Hello everyone, this is Mr. Amin speaking. Today we will be talking about the Pythagorean theorem, lesson 12.1 for grade 8. So first of all, we need to learn about what is the Pythagorean theorem. In this right triangle, we have three sides. Two of them are called legs, and these sides are the sides that form the right angle. And the side that is in front of the right angle is called the hypotenuse. The Pythagorean theorem is talking about if we are going to square these legs and add them together, they would give us the hypotenuse squared. So as you can see here, if I'm going to name this side, side A, and this side, side B, and the hypotenuse, we're going to call it side C. So our rule is that A power 2 plus B power 2 equals C power 2. This is a video that is going to show you what I mean when I say a side squared. As you can see here at the beginning, before we play the video, each side of the triangle is connected to a square. So when I say that the side is squared, it means that we are multiplying this side by itself twice, which would give us the square shape of the length of this side. So as you can see here, these two squares are filled with water. So when they flip it around, the water fills the third square, which is the hypotenuse. And the sum of these two squares is just about the same amount of water that fills the hypotenuse. More on the Pythagorean theorem. So we said first, if we want to find the hypotenuse, we're going to use the first rule, which is A power 2 plus B power 2 equals C power 2. So what about if we want to find any of the legs with the given leg and the hypotenuse? Which means that we're given the hypotenuse and any of these two legs. So let's say I want to find the leg which is B. We're going to say that C power 2 minus A power 2 equals B power 2. And if we want to find the other leg, which is A, we're going to use this rule, which is C power 2 minus B power 2 equals A power 2. In example 1, we want to find the length of the missing side. This is the given triangle. And we want to find the hypotenuse because these two sides are the legs. How did I know? We said before that the hypotenuse is the side that is in front of the right angle. So we're going to use this rule, which is A power 2 plus B power 2 equals C power 2. So 24 power 2 plus 7 power 2 equals C power 2, which is this side. So we're going to write 576 plus 49 equals C power 2. So C power 2 equals 625. So C equals square root 625, which is 25. In this example, we want to find the leg. So we're going to use the same rule, but in a different way. So we're going to say that A power 2 plus B power 2 equals C power 2, where A power 2 plus 12 power 2 equals 15 power 2. So A power 2 plus 144 equals 225. Now we will send 140. So A power 2 equals 225 minus 144, which would be 81. So A equals square root the 81, which is 9. At this part, we need to find the same ideas, but using different examples. So here we want to find the hypotenuse in example 4. And in example 5, here we want to find A, or any of the legs. So to find the hypotenuse, we will use the rule for finding hypotenuse, which is A power 2 plus B power 2 equals C power 2. So here we're gonna write 30 power 2 plus 40 power 2 equals c power 2, which is 900 plus 1,600 equals 2,500. So as you can see here, c power 2 equals 2,500. So if I want to find the value of c, I'm going to use the square root of 2,500, which would be 50. Okay, in example 5, we need to find the unknown leg, which is here, and we're given the hypotenuse, which is in front of the right angle, and we're given another leg, which is this one, which is 40 inches. So to find the leg, we will use the rule for finding legs, which is the hypotenuse c power 2 minus any of the legs b power 2 equals the other leg, which is a power 2. So we're gonna write 41 to the power of 2 minus 40 power 2 equals a power 2, which is 1,681 minus 1,600 equals 81. So a power 2 equals 81. If I want to find the value of a, I need to use the square root. So a equals square root 81. So a equals 9 inches. In the independent practice, I've given you 2 questions with the final answers for you to solve them on your own. Thank you so much for watching this, and I wish you all the best.